Hey everybody, I want to share this awesome new update at Agents of Vending for our Agents of Vending personalized website. Now, if you don't know, everybody who passes the Agents of Vending course gets their own personalized lead generating website. And I'm going to show you the update my partner Yoav made right now to make it so simple to update your website as soon as you pass the course. Every agent gets access to their tool belt, which is agent.vendingvillage.com/tool. Here you can access the community, your CRM, resources, calculator, but also your website. So you come here and you click my website. First thing you do in the bottom left, you want to click on your profile and you can upload your image, or if you have a logo for your brand, you can upload it there. Next, you have your job title, vending location specialist. Then you want to put in a bio about yourself. So here's one that I've created. I specialize in connecting managers with top performing vending machines tailored to their location's unique need. From identifying prime solutions to ensuring ongoing success, I'm here to make vending simple and profitable for your property. So that's the bio that I've come up with, and you can highlight your customer service. Next, you have your location. You want to write in the area that you service. After that, you can select the color that you want to represent your brand: turquoise, orange, pink. You can also choose a color that you might like the most. I'm going to go with orange. After that, once you've created social medias, which are tailored to your vending location specialist services, you'll want to put those here. That's going to give you that extra layer of trust from the managers. So you can create a Facebook, which is tailored towards it, a Facebook page, an Instagram, once you've updated your LinkedIn, Twitter. So after that, you just want to click update website. Then you go to the top, you can see your URL right here, click this, and here you have your personalized lead generating website. So it says free vending machine for your location, has your name, the area you service, your mini bio. They can send you an email if they like. Why choose a vending machine for your location with lots of call to action and lots of visuals of different machines to catch their attention, let them know that you service robustly, and it's designed to immediately gain trust. And here you have your lead generating form where the manager can fill out their business name and address and what they might be interested in, their name, their last name, email and phone number, and anything else you should know. And then they'll click submit request and you'll get that request right away. And so you just have to confirm if this value has any location and send the agreement. So this is the power of the website, where it's going to, on its own, continuously generate leads as you email people and you keep this website in your signature. They'll always have a way, either they can email you back, or maybe they'll pass this link on to somebody else, or they'll fill it out when they're ready. So this is really going to help you just seamlessly secure locations so that you can sell them on Vending.